Hey there, David Hart with RamAir International. Every now and then we get asked questions like, what's the best way to do this or that or whatever. So we like to come back with some little video tips and whatnot. And today it's going to be on the furnace door. The inside is often covered with dust. What's the best way to get that off of there? You can't scrub it with a brush because it's a fibrous material. You don't want to screw that all up. And air blasting alone sometimes don't do the trick. So let's see if I can get, I'm working out by myself out in the field today. See if that gives a pretty good view. One thing I always like to carry with me in the van on cleaning jobs is a paintbrush. Comes in handy so many times, and at times like this. So do what we can with air blasts. And of course, I would not do it just out here. I'm blasting myself, but I wanted to be on camera in a good spot. So a blast and simultaneously brush. Now by brushing, I can get along all these edges like that. Down here. And between the two, the brushing and the air blast, we can really do a tremendous job at getting the floor clean. So thank you very much. Check our website. It's ramair.co. That's ramair.co. And if you have any questions or anything you'd like to see how it be done, drop me a line. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like us at the bottom of this.
And subscribe.